When you write, whether it's a story or an informative piece, you're taking your reader on a journey. Think of each sentence as a different road. Just like roads, each new sentence should seamlessly connect to the last, providing a clear path for the reader to follow. If your sentences lack flow, your reader may feel confused and disorientated, causing them to backtrack or even abandon the journey altogether. So how do we ensure a smooth, coherent journey for our readers? The key lies in providing signposts. These are words or phrases that indicate the direction the new sentence is going to take them. Some people refer to these signposts as discourse markers or transitional phrases. But for simplicity, let's call them sentence connectors. In today's video, you will learn about two different types of signposts: addition connectors and opposition connectors. Addition connectors are sentence starters that tell the reader that you'll be adding more information or ideas to what you've just written. In formal writing, you might use additionally, furthermore, moreover, in addition, equally. In less formal writing, you might use what's more, on top of that, plus, also. Let's give them a try. The ocean contains vast mineral resources, including oil, natural gas, and metals used in electronics and construction. Additionally, scientists estimate that roughly half of the oxygen production on Earth comes from the ocean. Mount Everest, standing over 8,000 meters above sea level, is the tallest mountain on Earth. What's more, it's getting a tiny bit taller each year because of tectonic activity. Opposition sentence connectors are signposts that indicate to the reader that you'll be writing something that opposes or goes against what you've just written. In formal writing, you might use however, nevertheless, on the other hand, nonetheless, conversely, in contrast, despite this, be that as it may, regardless. In less formal writing, you might use mind you, yet, although, even so. Let's give a couple of these a go. With temperatures reaching as low as -89 degrees centigrade, Antarctica is known as the coldest place on Earth. Nevertheless, because it receives very little precipitation, it is also known as the largest desert in the world. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. Mind you, it's not the closest planet to the Sun. That title belongs to Mercury. Make sure you use sentence connectors to help signpost to your readers the journey you are taking them on. When adding more information or ideas to what you've just written, use addition connectors. When you'll be writing something that opposes or goes against what you've just written, use opposition connectors. Thanks for watching this tutorial. To learn more about the use of sentence connectors, have a watch of this tutorial. In it, I cover 7 different types of connectors. It's guaranteed to help improve the flow of your writing.